Hi, welcome to You Too Can Cruise. My name is Sadie Lynn, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you travel Spanish. What is travel Spanish? Spanish when you travel. And on this channel, all we talk about is cruises. Why do I talk about cruises? Because I love cruises. I love to cruise, and I've been cruising for the last 25 years. I know, it's amazing how fast time has gone by. So in today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to speak Spanish. Yes, and I will encourage you to come back daily so you can practice. If you don't practice, you will lose it. Not only that, but practice makes perfect. And I'm wearing this shirt. Hopefully you can see it. Hopefully it's not backwards. This shirt says pure life, pura vida. Repeat after me. Yes, the lesson is starting already. Come on. Get with the program. Do you want to learn? Come on, I'm a teacher, so I'm going to teach you and you're going to learn if you are willing to learn. Are you ready? Pura vida, pure life. And by the way, I got this top in where? Costa Rica. I'm wearing my Costa Rica hat, my Costa Rican hat. So, Costa Rica. See, the R, you have to roll your tongue. Rica. Costa Rica is rich coast. That's what it means. In case you didn't know. You see, you're already learning. Come on. Costa Rica. Costa Rica. Not Casta. Costa Rica. Pura vida. Vida means life. Pura means pure. Pura vida. Repeat after me. Pura vida. That's just to get you started, but we're gonna start with the basics. So, what's the name of this channel? You Too Can Cruise. And we're learning Spanish so you practice in the countries that you may be visiting, like Costa Rica, Colombia, Mexico, right? Peru, Venezuela, Nicaragua. By the way, that's where I'm from. I know. Are you Mexican? No, every Hispanic is not from Mexico. I love to visit Mexico and I go there frequently. But I am not Mexican. I am Nicaragua. Can you say that fast? Nicaragua? I know. It's a tongue twister, right? Nicaragua. Nicaragua. Say it with me. Nicaragua. Nicaragua. We're gonna start with the basics, like I said. Hi. Hello. If you are introducing yourself to somebody, hi. Hello. Hola. Hola. By the way, when you speak English, right? You don't say I. You say hi, right? The H. Hi. It's not silent. But in Spanish, it's spelled H-O-L-A. You don't say hola. No, it's silent. So it's hola. Hola. Hello. Hola. Are you repeating after me? Hola. My friend Helen is here with me. Repeat after me. She's Japanese, by the way. Repeat after me. Hola.
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 Hello. Hola.
Hola.
Come over here so they see you. And by the way, she travels with us, with my husband and I, so you're gonna be seeing her frequently on the videos. Her name is Helen.
Hello.
So I'm teaching her Spanish, and I know some Japanese words too. But she was born in America. But you know, I said she's Japanese, but born in America, right?
Yeah.
So, hola.
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 Pura vida.
Pura vida.
Yes. Pura vida.
Pura vida.
Pura
Pura
vida.
vida.
You see? I want you to learn. So I have a non-Spanish speaking person. So you can learn along with her. Okay? So Pura vida.
Pura vida.
Costa Rica.
Costa Rica.
Okay, let's take a moment here. When you say rica, you roll the tongue. Rica.
Rica.
Try your best to say it, okay? Costa Rica. And by the way, when you say car, you say, that's my dog Billy. I know. Can you roll your tongue? Can you roll your tongue? He's doing this. So, car is carro. It has two R's. You roll the R more. Carro. Say it with me. Carro.
Carro.
Okay, with one R, like the way she's saying it, that means caro with one R means expensive. Okay? Caro means expensive. Say caro.
Caro.
Okay. That is expensive. That means expensive with one R. Carro, you see, you roll the tongue like that. Carro means car. I know. So depends, you say, how much is it? ¿Cuánto cuesta? Right? How much is it? That's too expensive. Está muy caro with one R. Okay? With two R, I'm gonna buy a car. Voy a comprar un carro. Two R's. You see? So, this may be a little bit advanced, but just FYI. Okay? For your information, I want you to know the difference when you roll the R. One R versus two R. Caro.
Caro.
That means expensive.
Expensive.
Caro. Carro.
Carro.
And you can take your time saying the R if you don't know how to roll your R's, the tongue. Carro.
Carro.
Means
Car.
car. Okay? You see? Okay, you're already learning something, right?
Yeah.
So, hola.
Hola.
Good day. Good morning. Means buenos días.
Buenos días.
Buenos días. Buenos means good. Días. Días means days. Good days. That's basically what you're saying. Good days. Buenos días. Good morning. Right? Good morning. Buenos días. Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Are you repeating along with her? Remember, she does not speak Spanish. Okay? So, buenos días.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Hola.
Hola.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
So when you go on your cruise, your first cruise, your second cruise, your third cruise, you will already know these words, right? And maybe say, oh, this is too basic. I already know it. But have you mastered it? You see? It's okay to have an accent. Hello, I have an accent. The first time people told me I have an accent, I said, what are you talking about? I do not have an accent because I can hear that, right? But as long as you can communicate, that's all that matters. I practice my French in France. Bonjour tout le monde. Comment ça va aujourd'hui? Oh, je m'appelle Sadie. You see? So, as long as you practice, just practice. And you may not become fluent, but as long as you can communicate here and there. I got along fine in France the times I've been there. So, ordering food, talking to people. But it's not about perfection. It's about excellence. I like to do things with excellence. So just do your best and forget the rest. Okay? Who cares what other people are thinking when they hear you speak? Okay? But you're gonna be progressing. This year you're gonna learn Spanish. But do you want to learn Spanish? If you want to, you're gonna learn. If you don't want to, you're gonna make excuses. So, hola.
Hola.
Hello.
Hello.
Hola.
Hola.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Carro.
Carro.
Caro.
Carro.
Caro.
Carro.
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 Ah, you see the difference, right? Car and expensive, right? Pura vida.
Pura vida.
Pura vida.
Pura vida.
Costa Rica.
Costa Rica.
Ah, you getting it, right? Okay. Let's keep going. Good afternoon. Buenas tardes.
Buenos tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
There's an R there. Tardes. And don't really stress the R here. Tardes. Tardes.
Tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas
Buenas
tardes.
tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
And I'm not Japanese, so I'm not going to say buenas tardes. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to say it. I'm not Japanese, right? So I'm not going to say buenas tardes. Right? She tends to do that. You notice that? Buenos dias. I'm not going to say that. Buenas tardes.
Or I guess
Right?
it's a culture thing.
It's a cultural thing.
Yeah.
So, if anything, I stand taller and I say, Buenos dias. Buenas tardes.
Buenos
Right?
dias. Buenas tardes.
Yeah. And so, when you go to Mexico, or Peru, or Colombia, or Costa Rica, now you can say with confidence, Buenos dias, but with a smile, right? Buenos dias. Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
And first thing in the morning, right? Or introducing yourself, now you know a couple of words, right? Hola, buenos dias.
Hola. Buenos dias.
Hola, buenas tardes.
Hola. Buenas tardes.
You see, it already sounds like you've been speaking those two words forever, right? So you just have to have confidence when you speak Spanish, right? Or any language that you're trying to learn. So, buenos dias. Hola, buenos dias.
Hola. Buenos dias.
Hola, buenas tardes.
Hola. Buenas tardes.
Now let's say good evening. Buenas noches.
Buenas noches.
Actually, when you say good evening, it's also like saying buenas tardes, because evening is not like you're saying good night. When you say buenas noches, you're saying good night. Like, but you're saying it's kind of like, yeah, buenas noches is like evening, but also when you're gonna go to sleep, good night, buenas noches, when it's time to retire to go to bed. Okay, so I don't want to confuse you, but it's the same phrase that you use. When you say buenas noches, and also when it's time to retire for bed, you tell the kids, good night. You know, you say buenas noches. Buenas noches.
Buenas noches.
Buenas noches.
Buenas noches.
Hola, buenas noches.
Hola. Buenas noches.
So you say it. You don't have as much energy in the evening, right? When you say buenas noches, you say buenas noches. And that's in the morning, right? In the morning, you say good morning, because bright and early in the morning, right? But when you say in the evening, you say buenas noches, but it's not as energetic, right?
I guess not.
Yeah. Buenas noches.
Buenas noches.
Hola, buenas noches.
Hola. Buenas noches.
When you leave in the restaurant and they serve you your tacos, your barbacoa, your carne asada, your tacos dorados, right? And you're leaving the restaurant, you say buenas noches, and you leave, right? And when you're arriving, you say hola, buenas noches. See, when you're coming in, you say hola, buenas noches. When you leave, when you come in, you say hola, buenas noches. Buenas noches. You're introducing yourself, right? And when you're leaving, when you finish eating, you say buenas noches. You see, you don't say hola, because that's entering. You're introducing yourself. But when you're leaving, you say buenas noches.
Buenas noches.
Buenas noches. Okay, so what do we learn? Hola.
Hola.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas noches.
Buenas noches.
Okay, so I don't want to make this a super long video, but from the very beginning, I already taught you something, right? So this is different than the other shorter videos that I have. This is a little longer because it's a language that you're learning. I have a non-Spanish speaking person here. You can practice along with her. And by the way, English is my second language. So I have to slow down when I speak if I want you to understand me. It feels weird and uncomfortable because I feel like I sound like a robot. But when it's not your primary language, you have to slow down. You have to slow down. There's no buts about it, okay? but I speak fast. I know. Tell me about it. I speak fast. But if you want the other person to understand you, you have to slow down. If this was helpful to you, let me know. Please let me know by liking this video and subscribing. And come back every day, especially to the travel Spanish videos if you want to continue to learn. If you want to continue learning Spanish, keep coming back. It's as simple as that. Like, subscribe, and share. If somebody is interested in also learning Spanish, travel Spanish with you, then share this video with them. So Helen did a good job, don't you think? Let her know by giving her high five, by writing a comment. How did she do? How is her Spanish? Let her know. So let us know, how did we do? Did I do okay? Let me know. I'm gonna do my best to show you. Like I said, English is my second language, but I speak Spanish. So I love to teach. I love to teach. And I do have the patience to teach, by the way. Let us know, and thank you.
You're welcome.
And remember, live life on purpose and fulfilled.